This is the brand new Roco SNCF Br185 in HO scale, and it's for the new NightJet services between Paris, Cologne and Vienna. Really nice livery, quite like the black for the sort of NightJet. The SNCF markings reflected in the sides here, as well as the logos. And then you've got this touristic advert on the side. And Roco's printing is superb. You get really nice clear representations of the photos. Let's quickly run the loco. It's centrally mounted motor, driving all 4 axles. Really nice and smooth. And of course you've got the LED lights there. There is high beam lights. Oops. Just turn it around that way. There's also Swiss practice rear lights. There we are. And cabin lights there, which switch over the direction of travel. Pop on the sound decoder, so it's a factory fitted Zemo sound. 28 functions. All sorts of operating noises. That's rinsing, that one. Care steel. There's all sorts of different operating sounds there. And shut down.